Welcome back to the Art Gallery Fabrics channel. My name is Melly, and today I have some fun quilt blocks I want to share with you using the triangle block instructions from a past AGF Quilt Block Collection video. So make sure to click the eye in the right hand top corner of this video to get the instructions for that block. I created 3 quilt blocks using AGF blenders, or as we like to call them, elements. All of these blocks are packed full of color, contrast, and will definitely make for an eye-catching quilt. For those of you who are getting into quilting and may be having troubles pulling together fabrics to create a quilt, I'm going to be showing you 3 ways to do just that. The easiest way to pair up fabrics by color is by simply understanding how the color wheel works. So let me give you a closer look at all of my blocks and why I chose the colors to go with each one. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the AGF channel to keep up to date on quilting tutorials and sewing tips and tricks. Following the triangles block video from the AGF Quilt Block Collection, I created my 3 blocks that were inspired by the color wheel in AGF blenders. This block consists of half square triangles using the 4 at a time method and flying geese using the no waste method. Once you have all your units sewn, sew them together to create your 12-inch finished block. Starting with primary colors, which is red, yellow, and blue, is a great way to start a project if you plan on just using one color. Maybe you want to go for a monochromatic look. You can use either color, but in different shades. You can also use them together, as long as they have the same hue to avoid them from clashing. Here's my triangle block done up all in primary colors. Primary colors can be mixed together to produce secondary colors, which is green, orange, and purple. Here is another triangle block I sewed up using primary colors and secondary colors. Let me tell you a little bit about complementary colors, which are the colors on the opposite side of the color wheel. For example, red and green, blue and orange, and purple and yellow are complementary colors. Let's say you really want to use your favorite print in your stash, and the main color is yellow. You would want to give that print the most attention by pairing it with purple prints. Finally, we have analogous colors, my personal favorite way to combine fabrics together. They are the colors next to each other on the color wheel. Like blue to purple or purple to red, these are the best ways to create quilts with color gradients. Here is a helpful tip if you're trying to create a bundle around the one print you enjoy the most. Look at the colors that may be a part of that print. If there is more than one color on the design, use that to guide you for the rest of the selection of your bundle. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and now you can be more confident in choosing the right fabrics for your quilting project. To me, there's no wrong or right way to choose fabrics. The most important thing is to choose fabrics that speak to you and that put a smile on your face. You will be surprised how the most unexpected and unique matches can bring the most beautiful outcomes. So feel free to experiment and think outside the box. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with all your sewing friends. And until next time, happy sewing.